Hi, I'm Akanksha. In this video, we are talking about Insight Cosmetics. This is the box that they have sent me. They have sent me 6 lip shades, and the best part was उन लोगों ने खुद ही मुझे सामने से offer की that I choose my own shades. These lipsticks are in the mini size, so it's from their non-transfer lip color range, and they have around 22 or 18 shades if I'm not wrong, and each of these lipsticks retail for just 90 rupees. It is applying very nicely and it's very creamy. If I purse my lips are not sticking to one another, जो कि बहुत सारे cheaper lipsticks के साथ होती है. These do not even feel like something on my lips. It has settled into my creases on my lips, and yeah, that is something that I do not like. There's nothing that has transferred on my hands, so it is definitely smudge proof and transfer proof. Okay, now let us see how we can remove it, like if it comes off very easily या फिर थोड़ी tugging and pulling करनी पड़ती है. I'm using this cotton pad and my Bioderma Sensibio micellar water. Okay, it is coming off pretty easily. That's nice because आपको ज़्यादा tugging and pulling नहीं करनी पड़ेगी अपने lips को. But it does not comes off this easily with just water. It's a beautiful pinkish shade. Nice for everyday use, for college or office, and for dates. As you can see, it is a very light pink shade, so it might wash out people with deeper skin tones. So I think this is more suitable for fair skin tone. So this is the shade Toffee Cream, and as you can see, it's a beautiful peach shade and it looks lovely. I really love these peachy shades and I think these are universally flattering. This is Charmed. इसकी application थोड़ी patchy लगी है मुझे. It has some hints of warm tone peachiness. This one that I have on my lips right now is Glam. It is a little deeper than Charmed and it's a reddish pinkish shade. It looks very deep in the packaging, but in reality it is not that deep. But of course you can build it up because मैंने बस एक ही layer use की है. Insight as a brand is very affordable drugstore brand. मैंने खुद कभी भी इन लिपस्टिक्स के पहले कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं यूज़ किए थे उनके, but when I used these I was very impressed. The shade range is very huge. आपको बहुत सारे अच्छे shades मिल जाते हैं to choose from. Also these are for just 90 rupees, so it is pocket friendly as well. Out of these 6 मुझे थोड़े lighter shades ज़्यादा पसंद आए. I really loved all of these 3 shades. These do last for very long, but अगर आप oily चीज़ खाएंगे या पिएंगे then obviously no lipstick can withstand that. It's gonna fade from the center, so you need to reapply it. I really am impressed by the brand because being such an affordable brand, they are cruelty free and vegan as well, and also the products are of very good quality. I mean the lipsticks are of very good quality. The color payoff is very good, pigmentation is amazing, and these are a little drying, but of course we can tackle that. Matte lipsticks थोड़ी drying होती ही है obviously, and these are affordable, so even if you are a teen, you are a college goer or school goer, you do not earn, you can get these as well. So that was all about these lipsticks that I got from Insight Cosmetics. So overall I give these lipsticks a thumbs up, and you can surely go and give them a try, and I'll put the details and the links and everything in the description box below in case you wanna buy them. So yeah, with that it's a wrap. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.